So I was diving into Utils and I found out it's not just about compressing data, but it's also super efficient with its XZ format.
Right? The fact that it can create files up to 30% smaller than gzip really caught my attention. That's significant.
And it's fascinating how it uses something called LZMA2 as its primary filter. I mean, what even is that?
LZMA2 is a compression algorithm that's pretty CPU intensive for encoding. It can use a lot of RAM too, especially for high compression.
Wait, seriously, hundreds of megabytes of RAM? That seems excessive. What's the trade-off?
Well, that's the thing. While it takes time to compress, it decompresses relatively quickly, which is a big plus.
Ah, so it's like a slow cooker versus a microwave. Time-consuming to prepare, but worth it in the end.
Exactly. And it's especially handy when you're distributing software packages that get decompressed frequently.
That's a good point. It's like they're optimizing for the best user experience on the other end.
But here's where it gets interesting. They support multi-threaded compression but not decompression yet.
Wait, what? So they're planning to enhance decompression in the future? That could change the game.
Absolutely. They've designed the XZ format with future threading in mind, which shows foresight.
But doesn't that also mean they might face backward compatibility issues? Like, what if older tools can't handle it?
Good question. Compatibility is always a challenge. They've got to ensure new features don't break the old ones.
I wonder how they navigate that in their versioning system. It seems complex.
It is. Their versioning uses XYZS format, where major updates break compatibility, but minor ones don't.
So that's why an odd Y indicates an unstable version. It's almost like a warning label.
Exactly. It helps users know what to expect, which is key in software development.
This makes me think about how we approach bugs in tools like this. Reporting them seems pretty intricate.
Yep, they recommend compiling with debugging enabled and providing detailed reproduction steps.
Core dumps and backtraces too, that sounds a bit intense for a casual user.
It is, but having thorough reporting processes is essential for improving software quality.
I guess it's like creating a safety net for developers, ensuring they have all the info they need.
Exactly. And they even have translation projects for the command line tool and man pages.
That's so inclusive, it's cool they're actively encouraging translations.
Right? But it requires coordination to prevent duplicate work, which can be a challenge.
It's kind of like a massive collaborative art project. Everyone needs to play nice.
Totally. And speaking of collaboration, other implementations of the XZ format exist too.
Oh, like what? I'm curious how they stack up against the original.
For example, 7-zip and its P7-zip port support, XZ, which is great for cross-platform functionality.
That's interesting, but does it mean they might not fully utilize the features of XZ Utils?
Exactly. They might not support all the optimizations, which can limit efficiency.
And what about the embedded implementation? How does that work?
XZ Embedded is a lightweight version, designed specifically for the Linux kernel and other minimalist uses.
Got it, so it's sort of like a stripped-down version for specific needs.
Right? It's all about tailoring the solution for the environment.
This whole topic is more layered than I thought. It's like peeling an onion.
And each layer reveals new possibilities. Like, for example, LZMA2's flexibility with filters.
Yes, using different filters can actually enhance compression ratios for specific file types.
That's a clever way to optimize for different use cases. I didn't realize how nuanced this could get.
Right, so if I'm understanding correctly, the future of compression is about adaptability.
Exactly. As demands change, so will the technology, which is both exciting and necessary.
I love that perspective. It's like a dance between innovation and practicality.
Absolutely. And it definitely makes me curious about what's next in the world of data compression.
Definitely, I'm left pondering how all this will evolve. What's the next frontier?
That's the beauty of technology, isn't it? Always in flux, always fascinating.